Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss oops the last program, that is your 12B. The question for that is you are going to develop a simple calculator using Swing. Basically, Swing is advanced version of your applet. As you can see in the program, we'll start with the normal program. This is your Java import Java X Swing packages we are going to import to our program. Swings are there means we are going to use action event and action listeners as java.awt, that is your applet program. Internally Swing is going to use the applet program, but it has lightweight and this is heavyweight. Some differences are there, just you need to check on this what are the differences. Action event, action listeners are there. Here we have one particular class called as calculator one, which is going to implement action listener. So this is our action listener, and in the sense whatever action you are going to perform, it is going to listen. So here we have JFrame, that is your frame object. In a sense, basically we are going to create one frame, and inside that frame we are going to create a text, we are going to create a button, we are going to create the operations for that. So JFrame, frame is an object, this is a class, and this is an object, in the sense reference variable. Creating an object, creating an object, creating an object, J text, J text field, T is there. Then J button, how many buttons are required for the calculator? These are the buttons like B0, B1, B2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Dot is there, add is there, multiplication is there, division, subtraction, equal to, and clear. These are the buttons. So A is a value which is of type double, which should be static only. B equals to 0 and rest equals to 0. This is an operator what you have given. Switch cases we are going to give. For example, if you click on plus, addition will be there. If you click on minus, minus will be there. If you click on star, star operation will be there. These are all the operators. Static int operator equals to 0 will be done. Now public void display method is there. In that we are going to create a frame first. This is a frame equals to new frame. Initialization of object is done here. Then this is the title of the frame, like 3ISC1 B2 calculator or 3ISC2 B3 calculator. It's left to you, whatever name you want to give. Then we are going to set the size of the frame like 225 comma 300. This is the height and width of your calculator window. What should be the height and what should be the width. Then set layout. This is as of now we are not going to set any layout, so we are going to give it as null. Then background color I am going to give it as black to display the numbers, so color dot black. Then we have the set resizable, in the sense if we enlarge the, we can enlarge or we can keep the same default size as well. So this is set resizable, which should be true only. Then our calculator need to be visible, right? So set visible, which should be true as well. Then frame, set default close. As you can see, this is also one window. Here we have close, minimize, maximize, everything like the similar way only we need to create a frame. So for the calculator it should have exit close button. This is the exit close button. Then normal it will come for text view, text field. So T equals to new text field. This is an object, T is an object. Now for that boundaries we need to set for text field, this much only it should be there. So 30 comma 10, 30 is nothing but your width and 10 is an height, and 165 whatever size you want to specify inside the text, and 35 is the x-axis and y-axis, which position you want to place the text, whatever x-axis text view, that is a boundary. Now buttons also you need to specify. B0 new J button, that is 0, at which x-axis, y-axis, height and width, how much height should be there, how much width should be there. Width is same but height also same, only thing is the position will change. At what position? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. For all things you need to create an object, you need to set the boundaries for that. So add also, equal to button also, frame. Finally you are going, once setting boundaries is done or creation of object is done, you are going to add the frame, that is text. You are going to text field, you are going to add to the frame. Buttons you are going to add, whatever buttons you have created, all the buttons you are going to add it. After adding, once you click, some action need to be performed, right? So this is B0 add action listener. So this B0 means 0 should display, 1 means 1 should display, like that. These are all the action listeners which is going to listen according to the event what you are going to click. So after that we have something called as public void action performed. In that we have action event. In the sense, if you click on clear, that particular text will need to be cleared. So if you see e dot get source equals to be clear, that is text set text is going to clear, nothing is there. So t dot 3 is nothing but your text field. Now in the similar way, e dot get source b0 means here also t dot set it should display 0. b0 means 0. Concatenate with 0. 1 means concatenate when 1, 2, 3, 4 like that for all the buttons you are going to concatenate. But if you click on add, it should do what? It should get a, it should do op1 equals to 1. 1 means add. Normally text field will be empty only. In a sense, if you click on plus, clear button will be there. In the sense, text field will nothing will be displayed. In the similar way for subtraction also it should go op2 is nothing but subtraction. Multiplication means op equals to 3. Division means op equals to 4. Equals to means in the equals to operation b value we should get. Till now we got a value. A is nothing but if you click on 1 it will add. 2 means minus. 3 means multiplication. 4 means division. So here b equals to double, in the sense we got double dot parse double of whatever default values are there, we need to eliminate it and we need to store in b. So switch OP case 1 means it will add. See, result equals to A plus B, break. Case 2 means result equals to A minus B, break. Case 3 means result equals to A into B, finally break. Case 4 means result equals to A by B, finally break. T, finally we are setting it as when you click on equal to operator, automatically your result value will be displayed. That is sec test. Finally, in the main program, this is how your object class file should be same as your file name. And we have public static void main string arguments are there. Calculator 1 ob equals to new calculator. And finally, we are calling display function. Display function, where it is there in calculator. If you go back and if you see here, we have display function. In the sense, frame will be displayed. We'll just look into the output of this particular program. We will go to the Eclipse, and in the Eclipse what we'll do is we will go for file, we will go for new Java project. So here you are not able to see the Java project. We'll go for others. In the others you can see Java project. Double click on that, and here you can give applet program, or you can give programs as, you can directly give program sample p capital. 1 minute, some error is there. What we'll do, we'll go for file, new, and we'll go for others. We'll just click on Java project, next, and we will give applet, not taking applet 1, and just click on finish. It should be in capital letter, so it is showing me it is not required. No. And double click on applet 1, go for src, create new package, and give your name, finish, and again right click, new class. Here I am going to give OOP12 and click on finish. Now I'll just, this thing is not required, delete. I'll just go to the program and I'll just copy this entire thing, copy this entire program. So if you copy the entire program, lengthy, but it is very easy if you try to understand what each and every line does. Not so difficult. Paste. I just need to close one flower base, and I hope we didn't get any error. This underscore is not there. I just gave 12, I didn't give anything. So we are done with this, and we just need to right click, same explanation, no changes, run as Java program. Some error is here. As Java application, and you can see here my program is done. Just you need to scroll. If I give 2, and if I click on plus, and if I give 3, and if I click on equals to, and I got 5. Many of them this clear, they got less width, so that you need to make sure. If I click on clear, automatically my text field will be cleared. 2 divided by 6, and you got some value 0.333, and finally clear. So this is how exactly you are going to create using Swing. Thank you.